Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. So tonight we're going to be giving away this awesome kit from Turtle Wax. This is their Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish and Wax. Make sure that you are signed up for that giveaway to be in a chance to win this kit. And I want to say good luck to you all. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload, and hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and drop a comment down below. But in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Wax. So this is a spray wax. As you can hear, it is very liquidy, like a spray wax should be. So we're going to be reviewing this, checking this out. We're going to be going over to the test panel, seeing how this works, how easy it is to apply, the difference that it makes. I will show you when we get to the test panel the different sections that we have. I am super curious and super excited to give this a shot because I know the black polish did an absolutely amazing job for being just a light abrasive polish with those black pigments in it for what it has done to that test panel, and it is looking really, really good. We'll just go over a few things about the ceramic acrylic black wax. It says it increases depth of color, gloss, and protection for black paint finishes. Hydroglide polymers add slickness for ease of application and removal. We're definitely going to be checking that out because sometimes with spray waxes they can be a little bit challenging or leave streaking, so we're going to be seeing how that does with this product. Black pigmented polish and carnauba wax fills light imperfections and leaves a deep, rich black shine. SiO2 and acrylic polymers produces a durable layer that repels water, harsh chemicals, and helps prevent water stains for months. The whole Hybrid Solutions lineup has been a great lineup. Ease of use is phenomenal. It is super, super good products. For the price point and the bang for your buck of these products, personally, you just cannot beat it. They work very well, and they leave a layer of protection behind that honestly is kind of mind-blowing to me because I've been doing torture tests, and I really cannot kill any of that protective layer unless I start getting out some really, really harsh chemicals like gasoline, brake cleaner, stuff like that, and it takes a bit to get it off. Real quick on the back, the directions is wash and dry car, shake well for best results, do not over apply high active formula. That is going to be a key there, is not over applying. Hybrid Solutions lineup, over application is going to make the process and the job a little bit harder. You're not going to see the easy on, easy off because these products do go a long ways. As they mentioned, they have a high active formula of ingredients in these products, and they work super well, and that's why they'll last you for quite a while, and that's why I say the bang for the buck is just out of this world because how well they work and how long they last with a little bit of product that you got to use. Then it goes on to say use 2 sprays per panel, spread and wipe with a clean folded microfiber cloth. For more cleaning and fill, allow to light haze, use a separate microfiber cloth to remove, fold cloth as needed. So to get those filling properties for it to set down in there and start to basically set up, you're going to want to let it sit and start to get to a light haze. And then there's a note on here, can be used on wheels, exterior trim, and plastics. Do not use on convertible tops. Allow paint to cure for 24 hours before washing or applying additional coat. The 24 hours is very important for these SiO2 products for that first initial layer to basically have its cure time. And that's where you're going to see your longevity of these products is allowing that cure time. Then they have a shine tip. It says polish first using Hybrid Solutions black polish to remove light imperfections. Can also be used with Hybrid Solutions wash, wax, detailer, and coating products. So with their Black Series lineup, as I said, you can use the whole Hybrid Solutions lineup once you've used these products if you would like to help maintain that protective layer and keep that amazing gloss and shine that these products are delivering onto the painted surfaces. Another thing that's really got me interested is you can use this on exterior plastics. I'm definitely going to be trying that. I do know that this also is a pigmented wax as it claims on the label. I will also show that on a microfiber showing that it is pigmented because it's going to be kind of hard to see on the black panel. But let's head over to that black panel, start applying the stuff on there, see exactly how it is, smell, ease of use, if it gives any shine, filling properties, because there is still some imperfections as I'm going to show you guys. And I will just do my overall thoughts on this, and then I'm going to also do some more testing with this to kind of see. So definitely, as I mentioned, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those future videos, because if I find something that's kind of unique and really cool, I'm definitely going to be uploading a video on that. So coming over to the test panel, I have removed the tape, as in the last video if you saw it. There is the control section in the center here that has not been polished by hand or by machine. So we are going to see exactly what the wax does to this surface, if it kind of brightens it up and makes it look a little bit better and gets rid of that oxidation and those scratches that are in it. And then we're going to apply it to the whole door and just kind of see the differences between DA application, hand application, and then basically just a control section that is still really rough and beat up. So I'm really curious to kind of just see what it does over those three areas. So I went ahead and grabbed a light to show the imperfections over on this control section, moving over onto the hand application side. They do lighten up. They're not as bad as in the control section. And then when you come over to the DA side, right there's that 50-50. They really are removed very well. You do have some heavier ones because it is not a heavy cut compound, but there is a huge difference between the control section, hand application, and then also on the DA side. So that's what we're going to be looking at and seeing exactly what it's going to do to help remove any of those and what it does to that control section and both sides. So as they say, and you should with all of your products, definitely shake them up, get all those chemicals mixed up so that none of them are settled or separated out. Working with any kind of chemicals during your detailing for all of your detailing products. But they say 2 sprays per panel. This is a panel, so we will do 2. Actually, I'm going to kind of spray it off to the side, get it primed up. We're going to go 1 and 2. Then we're just going to come in with the black microfiber that they included in that amazing kit. And we're just going to work this wax into the panel, and the smell right away, you can smell it right away. It's just like the rest of the Hybrid Solutions line. It is a very, very good smelling tropical mango scent. I love the scent that they have put into these products. It just smells so good. So basically just wipe it on. As I was wiping it in, you could see it hazing. You can still see the haze on it. We're going to kind of let that set for just a little bit to turn to that white color as they were saying, and then we will buff that off. So as you can see, it's definitely lightened up. It has turned to kind of that white color that they were talking about. So we'll just see how this buffs off. I am blown away every time I use these products. Look how easy that is to buff off. It's literally just coming right off. It's not leaving any streaks or anything behind. Oh man, this stuff has made the surface super, super slick. And as I'm buffing it off, I'm looking at that control section that was in the center. It is basically gone. You can still see it. It's real, real light. But just using their black wax, what that has done, that is absolutely amazing. There is an extreme amount of gloss and depth in this panel. I can't believe how slick it is. I have to keep going over the microfiber. It is so slick. What I'm really curious about now is if we can tell any difference with the filling properties. I feel that some of them have lightened them up a little bit. I'll definitely get the light out. We'll come in closer and take a look at that. So before we get the light out, I want to show that control section. You can still see it right in here, real light. It is not as prominent as it was. It has added a ton of shine to that section. So that is very impressive that the wax had lightened that control section up as good as it has. Let's come in with the light and see. So right through here was the control section. And then over here was the hand application. So I feel that maybe it has lightened up the scratching and the swirling some. And then of course when you get over here to the DA side, it is very shiny. It has lightened up a lot of the scratching and swirling that we had on this panel. It has done a fantastic job. Super easy to use. I love how easy it was to put on and take off. Buffed off super, super easy. Great, nice, pleasant scent and smell to it. Very, very awesome product, and I am extremely excited about it. Geeked out, if you will, because of how easy it is and how well it is done. We'll come in for a closer look at the panel. You can see the amount of depth and shine. We'll get the light. Look at that metal flake. We'll just do a once over on the panel again. Right in here was the control section. And then this was a hand application over here. I just cannot believe the shine that is given this panel, this paint. It looks absolutely amazing. It looks wet. I cannot get over that. Something so easy to use, to give and deliver results like that is absolutely mind-blowing. And especially when you throw in the price point for this product, absolutely love it. One other thing I want to say is just how smooth this panel is on both sides and that control section. So you can definitely tell that it has put a layer of protection on it. So basically, once you use this product from this point, you want to allow it 24 hours before you wash it or get it wet to let that wax cure on there. Let the SiO2 and the acrylic polymers cure so you get that long longevity and protection out of this wax. But I just, honestly, I cannot say enough. The Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Wax, absolutely amazing product, and the results that it has delivered, mind-blowing. Love this product, so easy to use, so affordable. I can't say enough. Absolutely love it. All right, so as I mentioned, it does have black pigment in it. I have just a really junk microfiber cloth here. So once you spray it into the microfiber cloth, you can see the black pigment that is in this ceramic acrylic black wax. So that is what's helping also to revitalize that nice black color of your car, of your truck. So using this product is super, super easy to use. When I get a product like this, when I buy one, when one's sent to me, doesn't matter. When I use it and the ease of use is that easy, and it does that kind of results, that they speak for themselves. You can't say enough. You can't really put it into words. You saw how easy it is to apply, how easy it is to remove, and the results that it delivered. Honestly, that's all you really got to see. You don't have to put that into words. But I will say, putting it into words, the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Wax, if you own a black vehicle, this is a must. It doesn't matter if you're huge into detailing or you just like to have a clean car and you just like to do something that's real quick and easy. This is super quick, super easy, going to deliver amazing results. So even if you just take your car to a car wash, or you just wash in the driveway, you don't get real in depth, you're not into the paint correcting or any of that, with this product right here, you're gonna get amazing results. If you are into that, and you are into paint correcting with this product, adding it as a final layer of protection and to help boost that shine, that wet paint look, and add protection, that's why I say this product is definitely a must. I am absolutely blown away with it. I love how easy it was to remove. Love that nice tropical mango scent that it has. And it just makes it so enjoyable to work with. Me, personally, when I am going to detail a car that is black, or I know someone wants a black car, this product right here is going to be the product that I recommend to them 1000% because of how easy and the results you get out of it. I know I keep rambling on, I know I keep saying the same thing, but honestly, I am super excited right now just because of how great that it performed. How can you not get that excited about it? But one last thing I would like to add about this Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Wax is Turtle Wax has done their research with the Hybrid Solutions line. They come out with their black line for their polish and their wax if you have black paint. It's another product. They completely just knocked this one out of the park, and they're making detailing affordable, enjoyable, with amazing results. I am very excited about all of their products. I can't wait to see if they have more up their sleeve that they're going to be releasing or going to be doing. Let me know what you guys thought of the black wax. Did you guys see anything different than I saw? Are you as impressed as I am? Because I am extremely impressed right now. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I love seeing what it did on that control section, but just with a few easy wipes, it had made that section look really good as well. I know that this is going to be kind of a smaller market for people because not everyone owns a black car, but if you do, these are the products that you're definitely going to want. But I want to thank you all so much for stopping in and checking out this video. Like I said, definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, turn on all post notifications, and smash that thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.